Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and unscrew 10 capped-up screws from the bottom cover. Remove the stylus and gently insert the opener pick between the palm rest and the bottom cover. Slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 4 4mm screws from the battery. Replace the battery. And replace the 4 4mm screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover. And tighten the 10 captive screws.